Welcome to the Manga Forge, a place where we learn manga through Procreate. If you're new to the Forge, there are 5 ranks: F, C, B, A, and the elusive S rank. Today's quest is for F rank adventurers. The quest being line quality. This quest should help you build a strong foundation for future lessons, and will be your base for future ranks. First, let's go over some common mistakes beginners make. Scratchy lines and searching lines. Drawing with scratchy or searching lines shows lack of confidence, so let's try and fix that with these 5 steps. Number 1, find your speed. If you draw too slowly, your lines will be wobbly. If you draw too fast, your lines will likely overshoot your mark. Play around with different speeds until you find one that allows you to draw straight and precise lines. Number 2, rotate your paper. Some lines are easier to make than others. Drawing upwards like this can be difficult as it feels like you're fighting against the paper. In situations like this, it's best to turn the page. Number 3, use simple strokes. Try to avoid drawing continuously. Instead, break down your drawing into separate strokes. The 2 most commonly used strokes are straight strokes and C-curve strokes. Every once in a while, I'll use an S-curve stroke, but usually it's the straight and C-curve. Number 4, practice drawing basic shapes, such as squares, triangles, circles, and ellipses. Everything you draw is made of these shapes, so if you get good at drawing them, it should transfer over to drawing more complex things like heads. Which brings us to number 5, putting it to action. Here I'm drawing a head. As you can see, I try to keep my lines straight or a C-curve. Once I'm done a sketch like this, it makes it easy to ink over it, leading to this result.